built a soil sifter. Say that 10 times fast. A soil sifter for my trailer. I'm going to go up into the woods and sift soil for my urban vegetable garden. Since I don't want to buy soil, I can't see buying dirt or water or air. So I'm going to go sift some up in the woods. I know where some big trees have fallen down, and I think there's some good dirt there, some good soil. Soil. These big trees that came down a couple years ago from a derecho, which is a big wind event, straight line winds that come down, and it blew this whole root ball down. There's 3 trees on the other side that I've, for probably 2 years now, been harvesting for firewood. This has been down for probably 6 or 7 years, but it's really good dirt in here under the roots. Kind of called soil. Nice soil. Smells good, it's got good texture. I think it's got a lot of good organic matter. If it's good enough for the tree, it's good enough for me. I'm using 1/4 inch wire mesh, wire fabric, whatever they call it. And I wanted to use 1/4 inch instead of 1/2 inch or anything bigger to get a really fine sift. Because I don't want just good soil, I want fine soil. I'll use this for my a lot of my starter plants. Feels pretty rich. I'll combine this with some good manure that I get locally. Really nice soil. Smells good. Smells like Mother Earth. I hear a red-shouldered hawk. All right, I'm going to fill this whole trailer up. Better. Nice day here, mid-March. I'm also taking some soil from this bank. It's a little darker and a little different composition. I just suspect there's probably going to be more stuff like seeds and roots and stuff that might grow, weeds and stuff. Because this is pretty clean. There's nothing growing in here because it's so new, I guess, and it's moving around as it rains and this continues to erode and deteriorate. But this stuff has a lot more leaf litter in it. Got a little different color. I'm going to mix that in too. Trying not to get too many roots or surface sprouts. Like that. See that? A little more organic matter in this, just to mix it up. As I go deeper, I do start to run into clay, which I don't really need because that just cakes up. Some clay is important, of course. This is better than the gym. Flex those abs, twist, push all this lovely soil around. Most of this granular stuff is clay. It can be broken up, but it will just reform into clay balls in my garden. So I don't really want that. So we'll let it go back into nature. All right, that should do it. Check this out. How's that for a load of lovely, rich, fertile soil right from the loins of Mother Nature, ready for my garden? Well, I'll put some compost and horse manure in it first, and then it'll be ready for my garden. That's a good load. That's a nice. Let's take her home. This is my first time pulling a heavy load in my trailer, and my camera is shifting. This is the first time I'm pulling a heavy load in my trailer like this. I don't want to dump it. Come on, going slow. A lot of that dirt's going to live in here. I'm going to plant Brussels sprouts in here. I got to clean this place up. I think I'm going to make it bigger.